Alright, hey guys, I'm the Mac Helper. So, the stock calculator app in iOS 9 hasn't really changed, I think, since iOS 7. Basically, since it's been brought to the iPhone. It's very simple. Just you can do like 2 plus 2 equals 4, or like clear 8 times 4 equals 32, like stuff like that. And then if you can get more stuff, like more square root, you can square, you can use log, you can use ln, I don't think that has a name, and a calculator, like I don't know what all this stuff is, cosh, tan, h, yeah, a lot of crazy math calculator stuff. If you have like a TI-83, I have a TI-83 calculator, like some of this stuff is on like fancy professional calculators. But yes, this is episode 2 of the stock replacement, where I'm talking about the best replacements for the calculator app on iOS 9. So as I said, this is the second episode of the stock replacement. Here I'm going to be talking about one calculator is just a normal calculator but it has more add-ons, and the other two are calculators but different from most calculators. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Alrighty, so the first calculator that I think has been around since around iOS 6 is MyScript Calculator. It is free in the App Store. I think all these apps are free. I have not started this yet on this phone, but I have used it in the past and it's really great. So what you do, you can draw out your equations. It's best if it's in landscape. 2 plus square root of, or the 2 plus 2 squared equals 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. I could do trash that, which means delete. There's a little trash icon. There we go. Sorry. Let's see. What's a good one? Let's see. 4. No, that didn't work. Yeah, you gotta do it quick. 4 times the square root of 16, which is going to be 8. Oh, 4 plus. I put 4 times. I was expecting the answer to be 16. So let me do that again. 4 times square root of 16. Okay. Since I'm doing this at a weird angle, 4 times... No! Alright, I'll do it facing myself. I am currently in this direction. 4 times the square root of 16. There we go, and that is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. I just really want to do that example. This is a really cool calculator. Let's get to the next calculator. That's very similar to MyScript Calculator, but is different. Yeah, so let's get right into it. Alrighty, so the next app on this list is now called Photomath, which basically, if you type in, I don't know why this camera feature's here, I was trying to play around with it in a previous like behind the scenes clip, which I might put at the end as a time lapse. I probably won't, but anyway, you type in the math problem. It can be very long. It'll kind of like shorten down how you get the answer, like 4 times 4x squared plus 15x plus 16x squared minus 2 squared equals, and then if you go into like the camera and you hit this, it'll like simplify like how you get the answer. I just typed in a bunch of random numbers, but it'll like show you all the different steps. Like your math teacher might do that, at least mine does. Like it'll show you the different steps that you need in order to complete the problem. Wait, what is this? whatever. That's how Photomath works, as far as I know. And yeah, so let's get to the calculator that I have on my main screen, that I just use because it's more friendly looking. It's yeah, it just looks more friendly compared to these two, which look kind of complicated, and the calculator app, which looks really basic. Yeah, so let's get right into it. Alrighty, so the last app that I use, which is on my home screen, is an app called CalcBot, which is a simplified, not that simple, it's very similar to the normal calculator app, but it just has more features. Yeah, and it's made by the same creators who made Tweetbot, which is my Twitter client of choice. So CalcBot, I tried it earlier, the famous 4 times square root of 16. It won't work, so I'll just do 4 plus 4, and as you can see below the answer, it shows what I've done. So I can do plus 4 plus 4 plus, that was 1, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4. And then if you take this little thing and you swipe over, there are more features. It will show you you need the Pro for this, but you can actually convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, which is cool. You can do different stuff, like different speeds, like miles per hour to kilometers per hour. Okay, let me see that one. You can convert weight, pound to kilogram, and then that's size. That would be mile to kilometer, kilobyte to megabyte, US dollar to euro, or Australian dollar, which is very similar, square meter to square foot, watt hour to joule, gallon to liter, days to hours, and then back. It's just really cool. I don't think I can do this because you need the Pro to do that. Yes, and yeah, it costs $2, which I do not. I'm not going to spend that. Yeah, it's just a very simple kind of upgraded version of the Apple calculator app. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smack that like button, the one down there, and also make sure to subscribe, because I'm going to post more the stock replacements. I have a few in my mind that I will post, but if you have any ideas, like any apps that you don't like, stock apps that you don't like but you have to use, and you want like a good replacement for it, leave it in the comment section down below, and I will figure out some apps that you could use to replace them. But yeah, I think that's it. Oh yes, and as I was saying with CalcBot, make sure to follow me on Twitter. If you're interested in the wallpaper that I have here, it's really nice. Well yeah, comment down below and I will put it on my Twitter, which is on the Mac Helper. It'll be linked down below, down there. Yeah, so as I said, that's been it. I'll catch you in the next video.